In this video, I will be demonstrating how to properly remove and reinstall the lower rear seat cushion frame in a Lincoln Continental Mark VI Coupe. I will be using my 1983 Lincoln Continental Mark VI Emilio Pucci Edition Coupe in this video. This process should apply to all Mark VI Coupes from 1980 to 1989. Mark VI sedans and TownCars may have a slightly different process. First, adjust front seats as far forward as possible. Next, grab the forward edge of the rear lower seat cushion frame on the passenger and driver side of the transmission hump. Simultaneously, pull rear lower seat cushion frame edge upward. This will release the rear lower seat cushion frame from the passenger and driver side clamps. Remove rear lower seat cushion frame from the interior. This is what the lower rear seat cushion looks like once removed. Underneath, you will find factory stamps within the foam. You may also find one of a few factory packing slips about the details of your vehicle embedded within your vehicle. You will also find the support rods for the rear lower seat cushion frame. These rods snap into the clamps shown earlier. Install. Route and secure all seat belt straps through the crease between the upper and lower rear seat cushion frames. Push the rear lower seat cushion frame rearward as much as possible. Push the rear lower seat cushion downward on the driver and passenger side of the transmission hump. You may or may not hear an audio click confirmation that the seat rods clamped in place. Grab the forward edge of the rear lower seat cushion frame on the passenger and driver side of the transmission hump. Gently pull the rear lower seat cushion frame edge upward. Finally, confirm clamps generate resistance when attempting to raise the rear lower seat cushion frame. Thank you for watching.